Hi students. So in this last video, this is unknown number 5 for experiment 9, molecular shapes. And one of the things I also wanted to mention is after you draw the Lewis dot structure and build your model in the 2D, even if you don't build it with the correct arrangement, when you render it to 3D, it's going to come out into the correct molecular geometry for you. So you can clearly see there's multiple central atoms in the structure, this carbon bound to the hydrogens, and then this carbon as well. So I have 2 central atoms, and you'll be giving me the molecular geometry for both central atoms, and they are different, but definitely you can see it in the 3D model. So that's all I have. Again, this is unknown number 5. You'll be providing the correct molecular geometry for both central atoms, and in the Lewis dot structure, you'll be adding the valence electrons. Thanks for watching.